So let's start with a very simple and easy Christmas tree. The shape of this tree is a cone or maybe a triangle that is round in the bottom. So that is a cone. So this one here is very easy and fun. You can decorate however you want. I'm using a photo for reference, but you really don't need to. You can just create however shape and decoration you want. The next one over here is a little more complex. Um, of course, the photo reference is much taller and skinnier, I guess, than the one I'm drawing. But again, I'm using the reference just so you have a visual idea of how they can look. I always put a star on the top if you want to, or you can put any other decoration on the top. The next Christmas doodle is another Christmas tree, which is very similar to that one that we just finished. But this one here is a little more spiky, I think. It has more spikes. It's more irregular, let's say, just like that one in the reference. And then, of course, once you're done with all those spikiness, just decorate however you want to. Most of the decorations I put it in this Christmas trees are just simple circles, ornaments, but you can draw any other shape of ornament that you would like to. So as you can see, I have already pre-sketched all these doodles in pencil, and what I'm showing you here in this video is just the fine liner when I'm coming back with the fine liner to go over the pencil lines. So the next Christmas tree, I don't even have a reference. It's pretty similar to the first one that we did, and I'm just decorating a little bit different. And near the end, I'm going to show you another option on how to decorate this tree. The next one is probably one of the easiest, and it's also super cute and a lot of fun to do. Is just basically lines, one straight line and then several curvy lines on both sides, and just add a lot of Christmas ornaments to it, and you're done. The next one, it's super fun, and look how easy it is. You just go on a zigzag shape of lines from one side to the other. So of course this video here, it's speeding up, but when you do it, take your time. I don't expect that you will be able to do this as fast as here, because I'm speeding up the video, and even I don't do it that fast. So just take your time. Don't think that you're going to be able to finish in the few minutes of this video over here. So there is a way that you can slow down the video, so you can follow along if you decide to do it exactly how I'm doing over here. But I'm going to try to leave this PDF on the community tab, so you can have there as a reference, so you can see each of these doodles and just copy or do your own to practice. So I'm now going to the next doodles that are just random Christmas, winter elements. So I just finished the snowman, and now I'm doing some Christmas gifts on the box. So this box is, I am drawing in 2D. So it's just basically a square, but if you wanted to do in 3D, then you just really have to draw a cube. We're just finishing up with the candy cane, which is also very easy and fun to do. And use any small space that you have in your sketchbook on your sketch page. for simple botanicals. So things that are very small and easy to do, that you can repeat several times. Now doing the Christmas lights, those are also very simple to do. The mints are a little bit more complicated, and it's not that it's complicated, it's that the challenge is to make both of them very symmetric and exactly the same. So don't worry if it doesn't look exactly the same, the right and the left. It's okay. You know, we're doing this just for fun. The Christmas hat or the winter hat is also a lot of fun and very simple to do, as you can see here. I have two of those here in this doodle. Decorate however you want. Now I'm just going over some more botanicals, and any small space that you have, you can put the botanicals or leaves and flowers and other things like that. That you just saw me doing the snowflake. There are many ways to do the snowflake. This I try to keep it very simple, just um, lines and lines over lines. Basically, that's what it is. Here is the hot cocoa. I made a mistake there on that cup, so I'm gonna have to come back near the end and get it fixed. Of course, a Christmas bell. You can decorate however you want, and a few stars. It's also always fun. Now, for this leaf, I slowed down the video a little bit so you can see. So I first go with the pencil and draw a simple leaf, just a regular standard leaf. And then I come back and do those spikiness with the pen. It's very simple to do it. It might sound a little bit challenging, but it's not. It's very easy. A Christmas candle and more botanicals. And of course, we can't have Christmas without our stockings. So decorate however you want to. These are also very simple and fun to do. So now I'm gonna come and shade everything. You don't have to. You can leave those doodles just like that. Especially if you're going to color them, you're going to use maybe color pencils or watercolor or oil pastels, soft pastels, whatever you want to use. Um, but since I'm going to keep in black and white like this, I always like to shade. And this is the part that honestly for me is the most relaxing. It is probably the part of this drawing that takes the longest, that takes most of the time is spent in this part of the illustration. But for me, I really feel like this is very relaxing. And a big reason as to why we like to draw and we like to create art is because it is relaxing and you have the rewards of finished art at the end of all of it. So take your time if you decide to do these shadings. What I'm doing there is mostly I'm doing the hatching, so lots and lots of hatching, and I'm using a 005 micron pen. That is my favorite, but you really can use whatever you have at home. I'm covering a lot of these Christmas ornaments and stars, and I hope you really try these Christmas doodles. This time of the year, around the holidays, can be a little bit difficult for some of us. It's stressful sometimes because we're trying to accomplish so much in that short period of time. So taking some time to sit down and create some doodles, it's it's really relaxing, and you keep your mind off all the responsibilities and all the commitments and things that you have to do around this time of the year. So that is one of the main benefits of doodling. And of course, it's also beneficial because you get to practice your lines and your strokes and how you draw. You develop some uh, drawing skills just by using doodles or filling up your sketchbook with doodles. And I'm coming into those Christmas trees and covering all these ornaments. I really like how the dark black of the ink pen um, has that contrast with everything else in the paper that is just mostly white. And these over here to show that Christmas ornament like that, it's 3D. It's always good to leave a little tiny part of that Christmas ball or that circle in white. Or you can also come back to um, that ornament and use some white pen. So if you have a white pen at home, you can do that as well. The one that I use is called Jelly Roll. Usually use 10 or 8 Jelly Roll with the G. So a little more decorations, and we're going to be done pretty soon. I hope you are enjoying this video. And if you are, I ask you to please subscribe to my channel. My channel is currently very small. I'm trying to grow the channel so I can bring more drawings and art like this for you guys. So you can learn more uh, about other things that you can draw, or you can develop your skills just by seeing how I do it. And so if you subscribe, if you share the video with a friend, that's always it's always helpful for me so I can grow my channel. So also, if you decide to try these doodles, I would love to see how you did it, how you liked it to do it, and how they came out. So please feel free to post them on social media, and as long as you tag me, um, I have an account in Instagram and also on Facebook, so you can tag me as at Trisha Cabot, and I would love to see your creations. So now, as I had mentioned before, I decided to come back to this Christmas tree. And instead of just doing the simple shading, I decided to cover the whole thing in black. And then I'm going to come back with the white pen and do some um, drawings and decorations in it. So it's going to be, this is what is called the folk style. So it's going to be a folk style Christmas tree drawing. And I'm really glad I decided to do it this way. Honestly, I think this is my favorite Christmas tree out of all of them. I don't know, I guess I just like the huge contrast of the black behind um, all those decorations that are on top of it. As I have mentioned before here in my channel, if there's anything that you would like me to draw, that you like to see me drawing, just so you can learn or you can get more ideas, please let me know in the comments if there is anything in particular that maybe you have difficulties with, or you trying to develop or trying to learn new ideas. Just let me know in the comment and I will try to draw for you on a video special for you. uh, Say maybe it's a video on demand. Okay, we are almost done. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like it and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.